ladies and gentlemen, and good evening to the Philippine Association of Maritime Institutions. This night will be a night for fun, joy, laughter, a golden evening of celebration, appreciation, and gratefulness.
Sa akin, 30 years in PAMI na. Kaya, while we are fast fading away, we are paving the way for the new generation.
Sapraw, sige. Mabuhay ang PAMI.
To be a leader is not just winning a certain electoral process, but it is an innate quality to lead a person. That's the manifestation of a good leadership.
To become a good leader, you should look around the people around you and you should make them better.
PAMI was a great experience. So much to share, to reach out, to work for. So much fulfillment, so much ups and downs, elations and heartaches. But at the end, PAMI is a family you can't live without. That's PAMI for me.
Now, as you celebrate the 50th founding anniversary of PAMI, I wish to convey our warmest congratulations to every member of this institution for reaching this valuable milestone.
It's indeed an honor for me to be able to honor the past, treasure the present, and hope that we could shape the future because the challenges are very much high and expectation from our organization is quite high. The future is very promising. We just have to focus. We just have to join together our hands as our song a little while ago. Together we stand, divided we fall.
Now is the best time for us to set sail in one direction and confront the challenges of the increasingly competitive seafaring industry together.